Hello students, we are doing chapter number 19 coordinate geometry exercise 19.2. In the previous video till question number 3 I have explained you. Now we will start from the question number 4. Draw the graph of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and use it to find the area of triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the axes. So first we will change our equation. We will shift 3y left side and 4x plus 12y another side, and we will get y is equal to 4x plus 12 upon 3. Now we will find out 3 plotting points. So first point, if I am taking x is equal to minus 3, in that case y will be 4 into minus 3 plus 12 by 3. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus 12 upon 3, we will get 0. So when x is minus 3, y we are getting 0. So our first point is minus 3 comma 0. Second point I am taking when x is equal to 0, in that case y will be 4 into 0 plus 12 upon 3. So this will become 0, 12 upon 3 means it will come 4. So when it is 0, y is coming 4, 0 comma 4. Third point I am taking when x is equal to 1, or if we take 3. If x is equal to 3, then y will be 4 into 3 plus 12 and 3, 12 plus 12 by 3, 24 by 3 means 8. So when x is 3, y is coming 8. In between points I have not taken because their y value is coming in decimal. So that if you are comfortable with decimal values, you can plot that also. So now these 3 points we will plot in the graph. I have taken a scale according to the question, 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So first point we have minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 on the y-axis and 0. So this is first point, minus 3 comma 0. Second point we have 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4. Then third point we have 3 comma 8. 3 from here and 8 from the y-axis. So 3 comma 8. This is our third point. Now we'll join these line points. Write equation of the line over this, 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Scale also mentioned at the right top on both axes. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then we have to find out the area of this triangle which is formed by these two axes and this line. So area of this triangle, we will apply the same, half base into height. Base you can see here, it is 3 unit in left direction and height is 4 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Base is 3 and height is 4. Cancel out, and 3 into 2, 6 square unit. Next we have question number 5. Draw the graph of equation y is equal to 3x minus 4 and find graphically the value of y when x is equal to minus 1 and value of x when y is equal to 5. So first 3 points we will take here. We will not take these points. We'll leave this because these values we have to find out the graphically. So first, if I am taking x is equal to 0, in that case If x is equal to 0, then y will be 3 into 0 minus 4. So y value is coming minus 4. X is 0, y is coming minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4. Second, if I am taking x is equal to 1, in that case y will be 3 into 1 minus 4. It is coming minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Third point, if I am taking x is equal to 2, in that case y will be 3 into 2 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Now these 3 points will plot in the graph. Here scale is not given, so we can take scale as per our wish. I have taken here 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. First point we have 0 comma minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4, this is our first point. Second point 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Third point 2 comma 2. Now these points we will join. Now in question they have given, we have to find out the value of y when x is minus 1. So when x is minus 1, in that case what is the value of y, that we have to check. So you can see here, if I extend this x y value, I am getting here, this is minus 4, then minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 I am getting. So when first part, when x is minus 1, y value we are getting minus 7. Second, the value of x when y is 5. So y is 5, we will check. Y is 5 will be up. Y is 5 here, and accordingly x value is coming 3. So when y is 5, x value is coming 3. You can cross check your answer after substituting the values in this equation. Next we have question number 6. The graph of a linear equation in x and y passes through 4, 0 and 0, 3. Find the value of k if the graph passes through k, 1.5. So first these 2 points we will plot. First point is 4, 0. First point is 4, 0, this one. And second point is 0, 3. This is the second point. Now we will join this. Next we have to find out the value of k when it is passing through the k, 1.5. So y value is 1.5. This is 1.5. So from 1.5 we will join and we'll see what is the value of x according to this. This is 1.5 and we'll check its value is coming here 2. So when 2, 1.5. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 2. Next we have question number 7. Use the table to draw the graph of a straight line and find graphically the values of a and b. So in this table, these two values are given totally. So we'll plot these two, and with the help of these two we will find out value of a and b. So first point we have 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2. This is our first point. Then next point we have 3, 4. 3, 4. Now we will join these points and we'll get the equation of line. And now accordingly we will check the value of a and b. So when x is 2, value of y is b. So we'll see according to when x is 2. When x is 2, In that case, y value is coming 1. This is x is 2 and y is coming 1. So here b value is 1. Then next, a comma minus 5. Y is given minus 5. So when y is minus 5, in that case x value is coming 0. So this is the point. A value is coming here 0. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.